Yeah, don't pinch me. Nó nào.
Right, no mistake, twist and shout. This is my factory in Bhaktapur, Nepal, suburb of Kathmandu. My bar trek machine for just doing tactical. This is going to another factory that is going to make the Aloha rounds. Here we're doing most of the XLs and the ends and the some decor stuff. So these are all my patterns. So this to me is very, very valuable. I mean, I could literally go to any tailor with these in a sample bag and they can make my bags. Come to find out, with the 3 different factories, we had some problems where the XLs weren't big enough. So I ended up having to come out with another bag, so we have the XL and the XXL, but they're only just a little bit different. So I'm trying to kind of find a happy medium and then just doing the one. I'd say 80% of my bags that I sell are black, but we do have some pretty colors as well. So sometimes you just want a little bit of color. Now, most tailoring centers will have a big table where they cut all their fabric. I have a piece of plywood, so a lot of our fabric is literally cut on the floor, which is, I mean, it's kind of a normal thing. All right, we got product working in the factory. Woohoo! He's on the bar trek machine. I guess that's his job. He does the bar trek. She does all the prep stuff for Donna, and Donna's my master tailor. Yeah, we have Aloha. These are gonna end up being Aloha ends. And those are the side walls for the Aloha end, waiting to get pockets on them. Here we actually have some Aloha ends that are already pocketed, so those would be the fronts and the backs. This is Chhatrapati area, which is just behind Tamil. And this is one of the shops for years I've been getting all my little supplies from. So we're here buying straps today for some of the Aloha bags. We get our sole, which is basically our 4mm foam that we put inside of all of our bags. But they have red velvet. Should we do a red velvet Aloha? Okay, because we do export quality in Nepal, most of the supplies here are crap. But this one shop actually has higher quality buckles and other things than all the other ones. So we do have to come here. We end up paying 3 times as much for the 2-inch buckles for the decor belts and the big apron. But this is the place to get it. So.
When we use the hook and
Yeah.
Now sometimes it is very hard to find.
Okay. When I was in Bhaktapur, it was in 1997, and this is actually Pradip's old house right here. And one of my tailors that has one of my sewing machines lives across a little alleyway, and that's Vishnu. Uh-oh. They're waving me from the rooftop up there. So we're on our way to one of our factories. This is where we actually come and buy rice bags to do the mailing. So this is another little factory that I utilize in the Bhaktapur area. It's actually Vishnu, who I've known for many, many years. And he has, same as me, just a small little factory in his house. And he's got a few, that's one of his staff. And that's Mr. Vishnu. We have a Mrs. Vishnu, but that's Mr. Vishnu, 2 totally different people. He's making the Swazdi bags, working on a purple one right now, made a couple dogs, and that's his wife. So we're actually going to the post office because we have to send 5 boxes of 200, so almost like we're sending 900 bags. So we got it, and we're gonna load up a big diaper bag. Oh. Yeah. And send that to Tommy in Chicago. Huh? Huh? Okay. All right, products going to the post office. All right, I'll see you there. Outside the post office here, products right over there paying the fee for sending a package back to the States. So sending some bags to Chicago actually for float, but I can't be around them because of course you have to like put a little money under the table, and if they see this face, then that tax goes up. So this is the factory in Bhaktapur, so we got all 3 machines running at the same time, which doesn't usually happen very often, but here we go. So let's make some Alohas.